Hello! In this tutorial I'll teach you how to create an application with authentication very fast by installing a program from our store. So let's log in our framework, choosing the advanced workspace and the corresponding projects. Okay, so currently we have here the default files for the default project that we have been using in all the previous tutorials. So currently what we have is an index file with a default template. So what we want to do is, first let's just create here a new page for the sake of this tutorial, and I want this page 1 to be only accessible by the authenticated users. So how can I do that? To have that I need to have a login page, a register page probably, and I have to have all the authenticated pages. So we already have a program that you can get from our store and install it in your project that has all that files already. So let's install that program. So we just go to this menu, install program, we go to our store, choose the correspondent program, which is this one, the Auth, and automatically it will start installation. So basically we just need to select the correspondent options and do next, 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 and when we get to this screen here, we can then select the pages that we wish to have authentication, which is, in this case, I want to have the page 1 to be authenticated. Okay, so we just press continue and the program, it is installed. And as we can see here, it installed a bunch of files. So if I now try to see this page, the page 1, it won't let me. It will say user not allowed to access this page, and it will redirect me to the login page, which is this page here. Don't forget that currently we don't have any templates, so if we want to have some templates, basically we can just install it from our store too. So we can just go here to the templates and do install templates, and we can install this one. Then we can change all our pages with that default template. Where the login page, it's a different page, so we want the login page to have a different template, so we just go to that page and we change the template to this guy here, we save it, and now if I do the preview of the page 1, it says user not allowed to access this page, showing now the login page in a much beautiful template. So if we log in now with our user that we currently have, now we enter in our dashboard. Well, obviously that in here we needed to have a menu for the page 1 so we can see the page, but for the sake of this tutorial let's just do the preview of the page. And now that we are logged in, it doesn't say user not allowed anymore, so it shows us the page. So we can see here page 1 and in here page 1. So additionally, when we installed that program, it installed a bunch of other files, which allows us to manage the profiles, to manage the users, to add new users, to edit existing ones, with managing the correspondent user profiles of the specific users, and a bunch of other options. And has the logout. So we can log in and log out, and in the logout I have a bunch of other options. So all of these, if you go through the modules of all of these files, you can then decide if you want to have the register, if you want to have the single sign-on, the forgot password. So it allows us basically to enable or disable a bunch of modules according with your needs. So basically it's how you can create a very fast project with authentication. So we just install this program, then you can configure it, and then automatically you can say that, okay, I want this page and this page to be private and only accessible by the authenticated users. So that's how you do it. Additionally, for more advanced users, then I have a tutorial explaining this too. You can go to the manage user, where in here you have all the permissions, the user profiles, the current internal users. Currently this was the user that we logged in, all the relationships between the users and the users profiles, and then all the corresponding permissions for the corresponding user profile. So in here, when we installed the program, what the program did was to, for the admin profile user, it creates all these access permissions for these files, these internal files that he installed, that the program comes by default with, and additionally for the page one too. And that's it. So thank you very much.